Bonjour, je m'appelle Janelle Cadogan, j'ai 25 ans, je suis Vincentaise, je viens de Saint-Vincent et les Grenadines. I was chosen to be a part of the ELAN program and I received a bursary from the ELAN program. J'ai décidé pour participer dans le programme ELAN parce que je suis professeur de français à Saint-Vincent et je dois améliorer mon français. Now I'm up all night, I'm picturing you acting like a fool. For me, the program was very interesting. I learned a lot, being that French is something that I teach and I need it for my job. The classes with our teacher Kate, they were helpful for me. There was stuff that I did in the B1 classes that I didn't clearly understand, but I was able to understand better after Kate taught us. Also, the internship for me, although it was an internship to speak English and teach English, I really got to understand the French culture better and the differences between my culture in St. Vincent and that of the French culture.
You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel.
In September, I plan to study French as a foreign language. I'd also like to discover more of Martinique and their culture, get to meet my friends again when I return, and also make new friends. And for those students who want to be a part of the ELAN program, I'd say go right ahead. It's a really good program, and the best way to study a foreign language is to actually go to the country where you can speak the language and immerse yourself in the culture.
Tables are turned to